Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to Somali Essentials. Today we're going to be learning about superlatives. These are words such as biggest, tallest, fastest, etc. Without further ado, let's jump right in. To make a superlative, you need to have two things. One is ugu, and that is the superlative preposition, as well as an adjective that follows. So here are some examples to get an idea of how to make superlatives. We have ugu wanaagsan, which is good. Ugu wanaagsan is the best. Wayne, big. Ugu Wayne, the biggest. Yar, small. Ugu Yar, the smallest. Ugu Dhuban, short. Ugu Dhuban, the shortest. There, tall. Ugu there, the tallest. Adag, difficult. Ugu Adag, the most difficult. Fudud, easy. Ugu Fudud, the easiest. And here are some sentences. Iyadu ugu fiican. She is the best. Iyadu ugu fiican. Afrushka wa afka ugu adag adunka. Russian is the most difficult language in the world. Afrushka wa afka ugu adag adunka. Moska wa cuntada ugu macaan maqaayadan. Bananas are the sweetest food in this restaurant. Moska wa cuntada ugu macaan maqaayadan. Ninkaas ugu der kooxdayda. That man is the tallest on my team. Ninkaas ugu der kooxdayda. Alright, that's the end of this video. If you have learned something new today, leave it down in the comment section below, or come back with a new vid in the future. And until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.